seems to be working pretty well as a stand-up paddleboard. Look at this, beautiful morning, flat as a pancake. Seems to be working. This is the Kayak canoe stand-up paddleboard, whatever you want to call it, that I built out of insulating foam, fiberglass. So it's a single layer of 2-inch foam as the base, and then 3 layers on the side. I mean, it's ugly as sin, but this thing works. There, there's 3 layers on the base, and I believe there's one underneath on each side, just to try and keep it going in a straight line a bit better when I'm sort of stand-up paddleboarding. And so that, I guess that's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 10 inches of styrofoam on each edge, which gives it enough stability that although it's only 34 inches wide, actually is it 34 inches wide? I think it's 34 inches wide. It can be used as a stand-up paddleboard, which are usually a lot wider. But you can also strap a little trolling motor to it, which I'll show you in this clip. Here it comes, bang, magic, editing. Or you can use it as a kayak. But yeah, this is a beautiful morning. So I think I'll just show you some shots. I got a fish earlier, just gliding along, tons of them. I did bring my fishing gear, but I didn't put it in the boat this morning, just because I can get what's in the boat right now with me. I can get down from the car in one trip, and it is another awesome day. Look at that. That's not bad for a little morning paddle before going to work. I've still got an hour before I have to leave, which is awesome. Anyway, that's me just jabbering away. This is the foam kayak. If you'd like to know how to build one of these, I've got a whole playlist, and I'm currently building a smaller version for my daughter, 7 foot long, which actually fits inside this one, designed to fit inside this one. So I better stick them both on the roof rack and transport them easily. And it only weighs 9 pounds so far. I haven't covered it with any fiberglass like this has got, but I'm wondering if I can get away without putting too much covering on it. Anyway, time for musical montage, I think. Roll VT.